Hi, when it's math, it must be Maths by MEA. Welcome again to the world of Maths by MEA. So under the mixed bag, today I'm going to discuss nothing but one of the most viral question which is in front of you. So I would say please pause the video and try to find the length of FG. If this angle is 60 degree, F is the midpoint of DE and G is the midpoint of AB. And it is given AD is 6 unit and EB is 10 unit. So I would say please pause the video and try to solve this question. So I hope you have paused the video and you are able to solve the question, because this one is one of the most basic question, and similar question I have discussed. The link of that one is given in the card. So if you are not able to solve this question, I would say please watch the video which is in the card, then try to solve this question. Okay, so it's time to check the solution. So I'm going to use nothing but coordinate geometry for all such questions. Even the card video has the coordinate geometry. So we have a coordinate axis, angle is nothing but 60 degree and the extra sides are nothing but 6 and 10. So let's solve with the coordinate geometry. Okay, so let's draw a coordinate plane. This one is our x-axis, this one is our y-axis. Fine, this angle is 90 degree. Say this is a x value and we are going to draw nothing but a line with the 60 degree. Fine, this one is a line with the angle of 60 degree. And as we know, what is the equation of this line? We know the equation of line is equal to y is equal to mx plus c, where m is the slope and c is the constant. Since it is passing through the origin, we can say y is equal to root 3x is the value. Why so? Because m is nothing but tan theta with the positive x-axis and the theta is equal to 60 degrees. So it's tan theta, tan 60 is root 3. From here we can say x by y is nothing but 1 by root 3. So take this point as m comma root 3m. I hope it is okay. Join these two lines. This distance, say that 10, because one of the extreme distance was 10. Say this one is nothing but x plus 10 comma 0 is the one of the coordinate. This one is x0 is the coordinate. We want another point at here where the distance is nothing but 6. So this coordinate is nothing but m minus 3 comma root 3 m minus 3. Now you can say how this one is m minus 3 root m minus 3. So if we draw a line and a perpendicular line for this m minus 3, take this one is 90 degree. This one is if this one is 6 in front of 30, in front of 90 we have 6, in front of 30 we have nothing but 3. And what is this value? This axis, at this axis, the x coordinate is nothing but m. So 3 unit before m is nothing but m minus 3, and the equation of the line is nothing but y is equal to root 3x. So this one is nothing but m minus 3 root 3 m minus 3. Let's join these 2 points. Now we have all the coordinates. We need to find the coordinates of midpoint, say D, and the midpoint, say E, and we need to find the distance between them. Perfectly fine. Okay, so what is the D coordinates? It's nothing but by the midpoint coordinate geometry is the x plus x divided by 2 is nothing but x plus m minus 3 divided by 2, and the y plus y is the 0. So we can say this one is root 3m minus 3 root 3 divided by 2 is the coordinates of D. Now we need to find the coordinates of E. So we have m and x plus 10. So this would be x plus 10 plus m divided by 2, comma, for the y root 3m and 0 is nothing but root 3m divided by 2. We need to find the distance between DE, which is quite easy. The DE is nothing but under root the difference of the x coordinates plus y coordinates, square terms, and the summation. So if we take the difference, xx cancel out, cancel out, 10 minus 3, and the difference is nothing but 13. You say we need to find a difference now. So 10 minus of minus 3 is divided by 2 whole square, plus we have root 3 cancel out. The difference of 0 and 3 of minus 3 is nothing but 3 root 3 divided by 2 whole square. So we can easily say 169 divided by 4 plus 27 divided by 4 is nothing but, we can easily say 169 plus 27, we have 6, 196 divided by 4, 14 divided by 2 is 7 is the answer of this question. So whenever you have any question with the angle given 60 or 90 degree and you have extra lines given, I would say use the coordinate geometry, the best and the simplest method to solve all these questions. So I hope it is okay. And at the last I want to say, if you have not subscribed this channel, must subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notification of best concept, best questions and the solution. And you can follow me on the social networking site. These are my accounts and handle. God bless you. Happy learning and bye bye.